Hi children, welcome to Act Sharda Public School, Grade 3rd, EVS, topic Parts of a Plant, worksheet number 2, activity number 1, 2 and 3. Children, in the last class we have learnt about parts of a plant and types of root. Today we are learning to describe the functions of different parts of a plant. Explain the importance of flower, fruits and seeds. The parts are roots, leaf, stem, flower, seeds and fruits. Let's know about the leaves. Every plant has leaves of a particular size, shape and color. For example, all banana plants have same type of leaves. You can identify a plant by its leaves. Let's know about structure of leaf. The flat and broad surface of the leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. When we observe the back of a leaf, we will find fine lines on the entire leaf. These lines are called leaf veins. The leaf veins are actually fine tubes which carry water and food. Leaf veins also provide support and shape to the leaf. In most plants, the leaf has a main vein in the center. It is called the midrib. In some plants, such as grass, the leaf does not have a midrib. In such plants, all the leaf veins are arranged as straight lines. A leaf has many tiny pores called stomata on its surface. Let's move to activity number 1. It is drawing activity. Here you have to draw and color any 3 different types of leaves and name them in the given box. Let's move to activity number 2. It is a labeling activity. You have to label the parts of leaf. I hope you have completed the activity. Let's know about how leaves prepares food for the plant. Leaves obtain carbon dioxide from the air and water absorbed by the roots reaches the leaves. In the presence of sunlight, leaves make food by using carbon dioxide and water. For this reason, leaves are called the food factory of the plant. Let's know about functions of root. Plants have roots, but we cannot see them because they grow under the ground. Functions of root. Roots hold the plant firmly to the soil. Roots take in water and minerals from the soil. Plants such as carrot and beetroot store the extra food prepared by plants in their roots. A plant with healthy roots grows well. If the roots are damaged, the plant dies as it is not able to get water. Let's know about the stem. The stem of a plant grows above the soil. In trees, the stem is large, broad and hard. A herb has a green and soft stem. A shrub has many hard and woody stem. Functions of stem. The stem bears branches. It also bears leaves, flowers and fruits. The stem carries water taken by the roots to the plant. The stem carries food made by the leaves to all the other parts. In plants such as potato and sugarcane, the extra food is stored in the stem. Inside the plant, there is a network of fine tubes. These tubes connect the roots with all the other parts of the plant. The water taken by the root passes through the stem and reaches the every part of the plant through these tubes. If the stem of the plant is damaged, then plant cannot live. Let's move to activity number 3. Answer the following questions. The questions are: question number 1. How does the stem help the plant? Question number 2. Why roots are important to a plant? Question number 3. Explain the function of the leaf in a plant. Let's know about flower. Many plants bear flowers, fruits with seeds developed from flowers. Flowers of some plants such as cauliflower and broccoli store food. Many flowers have a sweet liquid called nectar, which is the food of insects such as butterflies and bees. Bees collect this nectar in their honeycomb and convert it into honey. Let's know about fruits. Many fruits have seeds. The fruit protects the seeds inside it. Some fruits have only one seed, such as mangoes, while some have many, such as apples, papaya, and watermelons. Let's know about seeds. Most plants produce seeds. Seeds have a baby plant in them. A seed can grow into a new plant if it reaches the soil and gets enough water and warmth. Plants store food in their seeds. The food is used by the baby plant while it grows. Children, today we have learned to describe the important functions of roots, stem and leaves. Explain how seeds develop into a new plant. Thank you.